So this one, you pull this down. Oh, then I feel it on my back. Hello. It has, so yeah, you gotta pull it down.
Pull this down?
Yep, there you go. And then that locks your back in. It's quite the ab workout, or lats or something. And away we go. There's a cable right there. Big cable. Big cable. I don't know if this is hydraulics or flywheel or what. I was just gonna say, this time of night I'm getting speed bugs. There you go, booster bike. Booster bike at Toverland in the Netherlands, Eastern Netherlands. Now, I gotta extricate myself from this weird seat, which is not the most comfortable if you're a guy. Figure it out.